Hi, this is Crystal Starr with iChakras. Today I want to teach you a breathing technique called skull shining breath, also known as Kapalabhati. So this breathing technique is not your relaxing, calming breathing technique. It's actually quite the opposite. This one is meant to wake you up. So you could use it if you have trouble waking up in the morning or before you go to work, before a big meeting, even if you want to be able to learn on a faster level. This breathing technique wakes up everything in your body and in your brain. So one thing I want you to keep in mind is that this is actually a very advanced breathing technique. So if you have any lung problems or if you're new to different breathing methods, then really take your time with it and build yourself up to it because it could be very exhausting on your lungs. So I'm going to explain to you step by step what the breathing technique is and how to do it. And then I'm going to do it myself so that you get a sense for what it looks like. First, you're going to take a deep and very slow breath in through your nose until your lungs are at their full capacity. Once your lungs are full, you're going to start exhaling these very short little puffs of breath through your mouth, making a little O with your lips. And with each puff of breath that you exhale, your ribs and your stomach are almost gonna contract, kind of like you're holding in a sneeze, or if you were to get punched in the stomach. And these puffs of breath are gonna come out one by one until your lungs are empty. Now, each time you exhale like this and you contract your body to exhale, your body naturally relaxes between each contraction, between each exhale. And when your body relaxes between the little puffs of breath, you're naturally taking in a little bit of air. So your lungs are never really empty. And this happens naturally as your body relaxes in between each puff of air. So you're going to take a slow breath in and then the puffs out. They're going to be 5 puffs out. Start with 5 and work your way up as you start to become more comfortable until you get to around 7 or 8 puffs of air. You're going to do this in and out 5 times. If you're able to increase and do this 7 or 8 times, great, but start at 5. In slowly. And then in again slowly. And do that 5 times. Again, if you become more comfortable with it and you're able to increase the exhales to 7 or 8 and increase the times that you do this around 7 or 8 times, great. But always start with 5. That way it's a lot easier to become accustomed to. Do this right before doing anything important that you really need to wake yourself up for, you really need a lot of focus for, or do this in the morning as a part of your morning ritual. In the comments below, let me know how you felt after doing this exercise. Let me know if you have any questions. Also, if you have any requests for certain breathing techniques or any questions about different types of breathing techniques, I'd be happy to answer them. Please like this video and subscribe to us for more information on meditation and chakra balancing. I'll see you guys soon. Love and light.